How to manually add and edit subtitles in Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, you are ready to add subtitles. To manually add subtitles, click on the Subtitles option in the left-hand menu, then select Transcribe Manually. Select your video file and the spoken language, then click on Add Subtitles. After that, type the spoken text into the box and adjust its start and end time to match the speech in your video. You can drag the subtitle along the timeline to fine-tune the timing and ensure it appears exactly when needed. Veed allows you to customize the font, size, color, and position of each subtitle, giving your video a professional look. You can also add multiple subtitle entries, edit existing ones, or delete sections that aren't needed. This manual method is perfect for creators who want precise control over captions or need to correct errors from automatic subtitles. Once you have finished adding and editing subtitles, continue enhancing your video with text, titles, transitions, or music, then export your video with subtitles embedded. Now you know how to manually add and edit subtitles in Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.